Welcome to our channel Tech Curry. In this video we will learn how to enable and use Spotlight Search in Windows 10. So let's get started. We are going to use Microsoft PowerToys to enable Spotlight Search. If you don't know about Microsoft PowerToys, please refer above video. We will download and install Microsoft PowerToys in our PC now. For detailed steps, please refer the video mentioned before. Installation completed. We will now run the PowerToys from desktop shortcut. We will now run the PowerToys program from desktop shortcut as shown in this demo. Sometimes PowerToys opens in background and is not visible on desktop. In that case we can launch it from system tray icon of PowerToys. We will now click on PowerToys Run Module. There are many settings/preferences you can see on the screen. These settings are self-explanatory. However, you can ask me in the comment section in case of any doubt. We have not changed the default key combination Alt plus space to launch the PowerToys Run Module. Now we can close the PowerToys and launch this module by pressing Alt and space keys simultaneously. For better understanding of yours, I am using the on-screen keyboard instead of physical keyboard in this demonstration. Now, to launch the module I will press Alt and space keys simultaneously. Now you can see whatever program/setting/application/file folder location I want to open, I can type it. In the search bar and matching results will be displayed. We can click on the desired result to open that. This is quite a handy tool for all Windows users. We can launch it on demand whenever we require it. We can even open the websites directly from here. Another good part of this module is that it always runs on top of all opened applications. I hope this video tutorial will be helpful for you. If you liked it, click like button and tell me in comment section.